Throughout the course, we will use the Kali Linux operating system, which is widely used in penetration testing. And Kali Linux is an open-source Linux distribution based on Debian. It comes installed in many hacking programs used in penetration tests. Therefore, it is widely used. We can install Kali Linux distribution on our host computer in several different ways. One of these methods is installation with ISO file. Opens your favorite web browser. From your favorite web browser, type Kali Linux in the search engine. The official website of Kali Linux is at the top of the results. Click here to download it. This screen lists the different ISO installation images available for Kali Linux. Each of these is released in 32-bit and 64-bit. Kali Linux uses the GNOME desktop by default. Click on Kali Linux 64-bit at the top. Click the Save button to download the ISO image file to your computer. The file size is large, and the download will take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. When the file download is complete, go to the folder saved by your web browser. As you can see, the download has completed successfully. Kali Linux ISO installation. You can follow the steps below to install Kali Linux operating system with ISO file. Open the VMware Player application. Click Create New Virtual Machine on the main screen. On this screen, we can use a disk we created before at the top. You can continue the installation by selecting the Installer Disk Image Files O file, or you can use the operating system at the bottom later. We will continue by selecting the ISO file. On this screen, the operating system type and version to be installed are selected. Select Ubuntu 64-bit as version. Click the Next button. Name information. Type the name we will use for the virtual machine. Where to install the virtual machine? By default, the VMware Player application sets virtual computers to see user's username documents virtual machines folder. We can change this location by clicking Browse. I create all virtual computers under one folder for simplicity. My recommendation would be to put all virtual machines under one folder. I use a folder called VMs on my computer. I create all my virtual computers here. I find the VMS folder by clicking the down arrow. I create a folder named Kali here. I click the Select Folder button. In the ISO image section, we write the path of the ISO file we downloaded earlier, or click the down arrow button to find the file on our computer. That's how it works. Click Next. We click on the Next button. On this screen, we specify the disk system of the virtual machine. We select 20 GB as the size. Click Split Virtual Disk into multiple files. Click Next. On this screen, we display specific information about the virtual computer we will create. Click the Finish button. When the creation process is complete, we can see the name of the virtual computer we created on the left side of the VMware main screen. On the right side, we can see the properties of the virtual machine we created. We can change these properties by clicking the Settings button. Return to the main screen and click the Start button. Our virtual machine is turned on, and we see the Kali Linux installation screen. On this screen, select Graphical Install with the arrow keys and press Enter. Select the language to be used. Click the Continue button. Select the location. Click the Continue button. Select keyboard type. Click Continue. Enter the virtual computer name. Click Continue. If we are using domain name, enter the domain name. Click the Continue button. Enter the root password to be used on this screen. We will use Tor password as password. Click Continue button. Select the time zone that the virtual machine will use. Click Continue button. The disk system is detected by the installation. Click Continue on the incoming screen. 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 On this screen, Kali has made the necessary changes to the virtual disk system as the operating system. Click Continue. Click Yes to confirm the changes. Click Continue. The operating systems and programs are now installed. This process will take time depending on the resources you have provided to the virtual computer. Click Yes on the screen that appears. Click Continue. Click Yes for Grub Bootloader to be used at startup. Click the Continue button. Choose where to install the Grub loader. To do this, click on a half-day FDA. Click Continue. The installation is complete. The virtual computer boots up and the username and password screen appears. Username, Callie, and password, PASSW0RD. And the virtual computer is ready to be used.